Welcome to Mystic Compost's woo-woo practices for robust gardens. Today, I'm transplanting okra seedlings from biodegradable pots into the ground. I'll share with you how the triangle and the number 3 can transform your garden and your life. After all, we really are what we eat. I'm planting in a downward-pointing triangle which symbolizes grounding and receptivity. This sacred geometry pattern draws energy inward, encourages rooted growth, supports water flow and fertility in the soil, and aligns with the feminine principle of life-giving energy. The number 3 holds profound spiritual meaning, often symbolizing completeness, harmony, and divine expression. I'm planting in 3s to represent life's divine unfolding from seed to sprout to abundant harvest. I prepared my ground by tilling it with additional soil and adding Epsom salt, old coffee grounds, eggshells, perlite, and clay pebbles. Product links in the description. I planted in multiples of 3 using a cup to create my 6 holes. I took my seedlings and placed them in the holes. As I did this, I chanted, "Seeds of light, strong and true, grow in peace with morning dew. Guarded, blessed in sacred ground. Abundant life shall now abound." Thank you so much for joining me as we explored the significance of the sacred power of the triangle and the divine energy of the number 3 as it relates to the garden. If this resonated with you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment below to share your thoughts or how you're using sacred geometry in your own life. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more insights like this. Until next time, stay rooted, stay radiant, and always live with love and clarity.